Home Affairs just reported that criminal prisoners, over 28,000 prisoners, that are going to be deported very, very soon to different countries. Malawi, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, all this Africa country that they are in prison. Over the years, South Africa are tired of feeding them. They are going to be deported very, very soon. Watch the video and hear for yourself.
Has the minister made any progress in signing of bilateral agreements for the deportation of the 26,000 foreign criminals in our prisons, which represents 1 out of every 6 inmates in South Africa's prisons? Thank you.
The Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker. Yes, I can say to the Honourable Member, just last week, that we concluded a memorandum of agreement with the government of Botswana, which provides for interstate transfer of prisoners, but, and I say but, South African legislation at this moment is prohibiting, can I say, this transfer, because we need an amendment in terms of the security cluster when it comes to Criminal Procedure Act, when it comes to the Correctional Services Act, because at the moment it states that the moment the person is arrested or sentenced, he or she must be kept in our prisons. Now, we are in the process amending that. And can I say what I also welcome in the Bi-National Commission we had last week, we are setting set a deadline, but not later than May next year, to ensure that we have our house in order. I would also like to extend it to the other countries, for instance, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Namibia, and even other countries, but those are the major countries. But it is a negotiating process, and I do believe we can succeed, and then we can send, as you mentioned, 26,500, they differ from time to time, that they can be sent back to their country of origin. Thank you.
The latest statistics as of the 14th of this month, of July, we have just over 28,000 foreigners. Now that includes remand detainees as well as sentenced foreigners. And it's about half-half. 14,000 remand detainees and say 14,000 sentenced foreigners. Now, I said when I became the minister also that I want to send them back to their country of origin. Now, the good news is that just on Friday, I signed a memorandum of understanding with Namibia for interstate transfer of prisoners, offenders. We will send the Namibians from us to them and South Africans from them to us. This is the second MOU. We also, about in May this month, I also concluded a memorandum of agreement with Botswana. In the pipeline now, the next priority is with Zimbabwe.
No, that's the big fish. Eh?
That's a big fish. I mean, if you look at the foreign inmates, Zimbabwe is at the top. There are about, if you take sentence offenders, about 4,500 Zimbabweans. And then you go to Mozambique. There are about 3,500 in our facilities. Then you go to Lesotho. They've just about 2,300. And then it's Malawi. Malawi, they have about 2,000 inmates. So if you can do that, then you can reduce it. But the aim is to get all the SADC countries at least. So many people think, for instance, that Nigeria, we have a lot of Nigerians. We don't. We have less than 300 of them. The latest statistics as of the 14th of this month, of July, we have just over 28,000 foreigners.